Hello and welcome back to my channel Kodse, and today we shall be discussing about another topic on a law, and today my emphasis will be on infringement in IPR, and the recent case to be discussed is related to pharma giants. We all know that COVID-19 and its effect and the vaccine development. In fact, all have seen the vaccine war, the movie, and in the real sense, the pharma companies, the giants in the pharma industry, whether in India or abroad, they were all at war with each other, how fast they can develop the vaccine and bring it to the market to benefit the common man, the people who were suffering from the COVID-19. And in that in that scheme of producing, manufacturing the vaccine at the fastest rate, all these pharma giants, be it in India or abroad, they were literally in competition with each other. Be that so, that's a different topic. I'm not touching that. I'm not at all touching on the competition issue. The issue is pertaining to the infringement of the patent, and today the parties involved are three pharma giants, and they are all based abroad. Amongst them, the one is Pfizer, the other is BioNTech. BioNTech is a German-based pharma company. Pfizer is, we all know that, a US-based pharma company. And then Moderna Pharmaceuticals is again the US-based pharma company. Now, the Moderna has filed a lawsuit against the Pfizer and the BioNTech, that both these pharma giants, that is the Pfizer and the BioNTech, has used Moderna's mRNA technology for the production of their own COVID-19 vaccine. The Moderna's claim is that the mRNA technology was developed by them, and by developing them, the patent rights belong to them because it was a unique innovation and it's dated back 2016. That is their claim, and they make an allegation that Pfizer and the BioNTech have used an identical technology for the purpose of producing their own vaccine, COVID-19 vaccines. Now, what is this mRNA technology? mRNA technology is basically a messenger RNA technology. This is an approach in vaccine development that harnesses the body's natural mechanism to stimulate an immune response against the specific pathogens such as viruses like SARS and COVID-19. mRNA technology represents a departure from the traditional vaccine approaches, offering several advantages in speed, versatility, and efficiency. Now, Moderna has argued that it holds the patent for mRNA technology from 2010 to 16, well before the emergence of COVID-19. And these patents are crucial as they protect Moderna's intellectual property right in mRNA platform, which forms the basis of its COVID-19 vaccine. The allegation by Moderna is that Pfizer and BioNTech utilize its patent mRNA technology without any authorization or permission, meaning thereby they have infringed upon Moderna's intellectual property right. And patent litigation is a common recourse in cases where companies believe their patents have been infringed upon. So this is what basic premise, where the Moderna has made an allegation that BioNTech and Pfizer Both our pharma giants have infringed on its patent in the development and distribution of their Comirnaty vaccine. Specifically, Moderna claims that Pfizer and BioNTech have violated two of its mRNA patents, which it asserts are foundational to the innovative approach used in COVID-19 vaccine. So this is what basic allegation by the Moderna. What Moderna has made an allegation is been countered by Pfizer and BioNTech that the validity of Moderna's patent and is itself is incorrect. They have refuted the allegation of infringement. They have argued that Moderna's development in mRNA technology were merely an obvious improvements on the previous work and therefore do not warrant any patent protection. What they are basically saying is this: the case of Moderna, that mRNA technology was an innovative technology developed by them, is itself is doubtful and incorrect one, since this technology which Moderna claims to have innovated is basically was available in the previous work. This is nothing but an improvisation. The improvisation which means that the one which was already in existence is been improvised or added on to make another innovative product or other claiming to be a new product. So that basically itself defeats the purpose of new innovation, and therefore the Moderna's claim is incorrect and they don't held any patent as has been falsely and wrongly claimed by them. This is clearly a classic fight of patent infringement suit which is filed in the London and is going to be heard at the London High Court, and let us see what is going to be an outcome. So we all know that the COVID-19 issues, and it affects its own effect on the human history from 2020 onwards, and how the entire world had to struggle and get back to the normalcy, how the pharma companies, the governments, they were meticulously working on development of the COVID-19 vaccine. Many of them were struggling to make it in time-bound manner. A huge amount of competition was involved. Huge amount of capturing the market was involved. We all have seen that vaccine war movie. This is an identical situation where every pharma company was hell-bent to capture the market of the COVID-19 vaccine. It has a huge potential market, and that's how every pharma company, be it in Indian or the foreign companies, wanted to introduce their vaccine at the earliest, as fast as it can be. And in that scheme of thing, Moderna introduced its own vaccine. Pfizer and BioNTech, they introduced their own vaccine. And when Moderna learned that, or rather they claim to have learned that Pfizer and BioNTech have utilized an identical technology, mRNA, which the Moderna claims to have the patent on it. That is how the infringement case has been built up, and the suit is filed before the London. The Pfizer and BioNTech have disputed the claim on the basis that it was already in existence much prior what the Moderna claims to have innovated, and it is only an added one on the existing technology, so it cannot be termed as a innovative technology. And let us see what unfolds from here on. But that's the big news as far as the infringement of the patents is concerned by among these pharma giants, and we'll know what will be the outcome. So I thought of sharing this news though I must confess that you all must be aware of this news as it's there in the public platform, and I don't claim to have an exclusive knowledge of it, but it's there in the public platform. Needless to say that I thought of sharing to my viewers, and whom I am committed to bring some good and fresh news and views from the courts, and that is how I thought of making this video. I hope you like this video, and I shall pray that you keep on blessing me with your support, and that is what my continuous prayer will be as always. And I pray that all your good health and fortunes. With this note, I am signing off today. I shall come back with another topic and another subject tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching the video. And before I sign off, as always, I do recommend or do pray that, and do request you all that go and cast your vote, whichever party you belongs to, whichever ideology you have in your mind. It is your duty to cast and vote. It's a national duty. So don't forget to cast and vote till these elections are over. And with this note, thank you once again. And with this, I am signing off again. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.